How to create a Google Map location for a business. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Map location for a business. First, open Google Chrome on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Then search for the location where you want to add your business. This could be the general area or street where your business is located. Next, tap on the specific location you want to add. It will bring up more information about the area on the map. Now tap on Business at the bottom right corner. This will bring up the option to add your business. Then tap on your business name to continue. After that, tap on Add a Business Profile to create a new listing. Here, you'll be asked to enter your business name and business category. Next, go back to Google Maps, and you will see an option to add your business to Maps for free. Tap on this to proceed with the setup. Now enter your business name and category again to confirm your details, and tap on Next to move on to the next step. Then, you'll be asked if you want to add a location customers can visit, such as a store or office. If you want customers to visit your business in person, select Yes. Here, you will need to enter your business address, including your country, region, street address, sector, city, and postal code to ensure customers can find your location accurately on the map. After entering all the details, tap Next to continue with the business setup process. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.